Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're at the Heights at 1520. The Heights at 1520, this is in the Heights area of Houston. We're doing a part two. So we saw part one. This is a really pretty one bedroom and it's kind of half fixed up and half done. But now let's look in the bedroom and bath. So the bedroom looks like this, really nice. It's a good size. It's very, very wide. Really big window that's here. There is a patio that's coming out from the living room, so you've got that. But it's a really good space. It feels really clean. You could absolutely put a queen or a king bed in here. You have really a ton of space, dresser, no problem. It's a really big area. This is the bathroom. I love it because you've got dual sinks in here. This is super nice, a really big mirror. This is awesome. And then you've got a really nice shower here too. The shower is awesome. The shower looks great. And then here is the closet. So the closet looks like this. The closet looks really, really nice. Great looking closet. And that's what that looks like there. So pretty closet. I would say that's a really nice size closet. I like all the shelves in there too. So anyway, this is part two. This is what it looks like. Remember, you've got the computer desk in here. It's a really pretty apartment. This would be perfect for your adventure and your time to go to the Heights. Hey, if you want to go ahead and set up a tour anytime of the 1520 at the Heights, or you want to see multiple apartments in the Heights, we can do either one of those. We can do them virtually on your phone, or we can do them live, whichever you prefer. Send me a text, just say hello, and we'll kind of go from there. We'll set up tours, but we can just talk about Houston apartments in general. It's 100% free service always.